Welcome to our exploration of why flood insurance is becoming the new American luxury. In this video, we'll dive into the essential knowledge surrounding flood insurance, its rising costs, and the undeniable effects of climate change on our communities. As we navigate through government roles and regional disparities, we'll also highlight the emotional weight that flooding carries for homeowners. With a look at technological advancements and alternative solutions, our goal is to equip you with practical insights into the future of flood insurance in America. 1. Understanding the basics of flood insurance. Flood insurance is a type of property insurance that covers losses and damages caused by flooding. Typically, homeowners insurance does not cover flood damage, making flood insurance a separate and essential purchase for those living in flood-prone areas. As climate change continues to alter weather patterns, the likelihood of flooding has increased, prompting more homeowners to consider this type of insurance. It's like having an umbrella for a rainy day. You might not need it often, but when you do, it's invaluable. The cost of repairs from flood damage can be astronomical, making this insurance a wise investment for many. 2. The rising costs of flood insurance. In recent years, the cost of flood insurance has been on the rise. This increase can be attributed to the growing frequency and severity of flooding events across the country. As insurance companies face higher payouts, they adjust premiums to mitigate their risk. Unfortunately, this means that many homeowners are finding flood insurance increasingly unaffordable. It's akin to buying a luxury car. The upfront cost may be steep, but the peace of mind it provides can be worth every penny. For some, however, the cost is simply out of reach, turning flood insurance into a luxury rather than a necessity. 3. Climate change and its impact on flooding. Climate change is a significant driver behind the increased need for flood insurance. Rising sea levels and more intense storms are leading to more frequent and severe flooding events. This isn't just a problem for coastal areas. Inland regions are also experiencing unprecedented flooding. Imagine a bathtub with a clogged drain. As the water continues to flow, it eventually spills over, causing a mess. Similarly, our planet's changing climate is causing natural spillovers, leading to disastrous consequences. The unpredictability of these events makes flood insurance a critical consideration for many homeowners. 4. The role of government in flood insurance. The U.S. government plays a crucial role in the flood insurance market through the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP. Administered by FEMA, the NFIP provides flood insurance to property owners, renters, and businesses. However, the program has faced challenges, including financial strain from repeated natural disasters. Think of it as a safety net with a few holes. It's there to catch you, but it might not be as reliable as you'd hope. As private insurers step back due to high risks, the government's role becomes even more vital, yet complex, in ensuring coverage remains available. 5. Regional disparities in flood insurance availability. The access to flood insurance varies greatly across different regions of the United States. Coastal states like Florida and Louisiana face higher risks, leading to higher premiums and more stringent coverage requirements. Conversely, residents in less flood-prone areas might find insurance more affordable and accessible. It's like comparing the price of beachfront property to a home in the countryside. Location significantly impacts cost. These disparities can create challenges for homeowners, as those who need coverage most may struggle to afford it. 6. Technological advancements in flood risk assessment. Recent advances in technology have improved the ability to assess flood risks accurately. Satellite imagery, geographic information systems, GIS, and predictive modeling provide insurers with detailed data on flood-prone areas. This is akin to having a crystal ball that helps predict potential water damage scenarios. While these tools enhance risk assessment, they can also lead to higher premiums for those in high-risk zones, reinforcing the luxury aspect of flood insurance. 7. The emotional impact of flooding on homeowners. Beyond financial concerns, flooding can have a profound emotional impact on homeowners. The loss of cherished possessions and the disruption of daily life can be devastating. It's like watching your life's work washed away in an instant. Flood insurance helps mitigate some of these emotional burdens by providing financial support for rebuilding and recovery. However, the emotional scars can linger long after the water recedes, emphasizing the importance of comprehensive coverage. 8. Alternative solutions for affordable coverage. As flood insurance becomes more costly, many are seeking alternative solutions to protect their homes. Community-based flood management programs, grants for flood-proofing measures, and government subsidies are potential avenues for reducing costs. Consider these options as discount coupons for luxury items, making it more attainable for those on a budget. By exploring these alternatives, homeowners can find ways to secure coverage without breaking the bank. 9. The future of flood insurance in America. The future of flood insurance in America is uncertain, with climate change and economic factors shaping its trajectory. As more areas become susceptible to flooding, the demand for insurance will likely grow. However, the challenge lies in making it affordable and accessible for all. It's like walking a tightrope. Balancing cost and coverage is a delicate act that requires careful planning and innovation. Policymakers, insurers, and homeowners must work together to ensure that flood insurance remains a viable option. 10. Practical tips for homeowners considering flood insurance. For those contemplating flood insurance, several practical tips can help guide the decision-making process. Assess your flood risk by consulting local flood maps and resources. Compare quotes from multiple insurers to find the best rates. Consider the coverage limits and exclusions of each policy. Explore community resources and government programs for additional support. Stay informed about changes in flood insurance regulations and policies. These steps are like assembling a toolkit for home protection, equipping you with the knowledge and resources needed to make an informed choice.